Okay, one of the best things you can do to make sure that people who know you know about the fact that you're writing a book or have written a book is by having it in, oops, that's not what I wanted to go, is by having it in your intro section so that when people come to your page or when they see different things, because have you ever been um, checking out somebody and you want to know more about them, whether you saw that they posted on a comment on a post that you've been to, or whether you want to be friends with them or something, and you come over and you look at the different things they've done, or say they friend request you and you want to see what's going on, any of those things. So you want to make sure that you have enough stuff public on your profile that even people who aren't your friends, if they're looking more up about you, can see it. Or people who are your friends who come to your page to see something, see that you are a writer. So I have a lot of things going on here. I'm not currently promoting my books as much as I am promoting my businesses and the books that I'm publishing. So I have, my book publisher here. But if I wanted to, and when I really start promoting my books, I will make sure that my author page has a prominent place up here. But if you don't already have this in your intro, what you do is go to edit profile. Your bio is in your intro. You can edit your featured photos. So like if I wanted this to be one of my book covers, I could change one of these to, I could take away one of these photos and I could add in a picture of my book cover as an example, so that when people see my featured photos, they see um, they see this book cover that we're getting ready to launch, so that they might click on that. And if I've done my image properly, which I'll show you in a second, I will have the link to the page. They can find it, right? So you have all your stuff in your profile and you can choose what is included in here. What I don't know about is if you can include choose where it's located in the thing. So if you want to add a workplace or add something that's going on, you go through here and you add a professional skill, you add a workplace. So you're going to go and say, where have you worked? I'm going to say Alexa Big Wharf because I have my writer profile on here. I can just grab that, put author. You can fill in any of these things that you want to, and you can choose whether this is public or not public. Obviously, you want it to be public because you want people to see it, right? So now I have, it's telling me I already have that in there. So that's how you would do it. You don't have to have a page attached to it, but if you want it to link, then you're going to want a page attached to it. I could change this to, I think you can do this without having an actual page. Oh, it won't, and now it won't actually let you do it with, that's weird. Hold on a second here. Okay, so if you want the link, like if you were in the army, if you want to have that linked thing to it, you can add in a page that you already have there. If you don't have a professional page set up yet, you can just put author here and say, author and tab, and then describe the title of your books or wherever, save changes, and it'll pop up there. I don't want to add that on there right now, so I'm going to go back to what I accidentally took off a minute ago. Let me go back to my page and see my about page, what it looks like now, because I removed one of them accidentally and now I don't remember which one it was. I've got Right Published Sell, I've got Cat Biggie Press, and I have all the most important ones up here. So that's how, when you see people, if you didn't already know this, that's how you see how they're linked on them. So this is really important because if you've set up your author account, first of all, it's going to say what your title is. So you've got author, and now it would see at Alexa Big Wharf if I had that one linked. And when they clicked on it, it's going to take them directly over to that public page. And obviously, if they're interested in me as a writer and they're interested in the books I have published or what am working on publishing, then they're going to click like. So that automatically helps grow your Facebook page just by having that simple little piece of information right here. So if you've set up an author page, an author business page, you need to make sure that you go in, edit your profile, add it to your intro, to your places that you've worked, and then it's right there on the front. And then also you want to make sure that your website is on your business page, or the sales page that you want to direct people to. But that's a different tutorial in itself.